Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Immense Augusta TV channel. So today I'll be teaching us how to set up our pixel. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I know that a lot of people have challenges. You might have experienced challenges of not running a high converting ad, especially using Facebook through your business suite, your ad accounts. Now, the reason is because most times when we are trying to run ad, we make the mistake as a beginner. You make the mistake of wanting to run a conversion ad because they said conversion objective is the best objective for you to use in running your ads. All right, which is correct, but there are things that you don't know. There are foundations you need to lay in order for you to run a high converting Facebook advert using your ad account through your Meta business suite. Now, I'm not here to teach you how to run Facebook advertising. If you want to learn how to run Facebook advertising, you can send me a DM or use the link on my bio on my website to connect with me. Now, this is something I discovered. I have a digital business growth agency where I help businesses grow their businesses online. And one of the services we render is to carry out digital marketing for different businesses to sell their products and services online. Now, this setup is what I do for my clients and I also do this for myself. Now, have you noticed, maybe you may not know, but when you are running adverts, every time you're running a paid advert, you are running adverts to a cold audience. And each time you're running adverts, people visit your page, they visit your website, they interact with your Instagram page, interact with your Facebook page, and they interact with your website. Now, do you know that with the help of a pixel, the data of these people can be collected so that you can do what we call a retargeting ad to them, so that you are not leaving money on the table, so that when next you're running a paid advertising, especially if you have a lot of audience or a lot of people that visit your Facebook page, your Instagram page, and your website. When you're running adverts again, you're not running a paid advert to a cold audience, but you are running a paid advert to a warm audience, retargeting all those that have interacted with your Instagram page, all those that have interacted with your Facebook page, all those that have interacted with your website. Now, they help the pixel, which is the old name, the new name now is that Dataset, helps to collect all this data and help you run a retargeting ad. Have you noticed where somebody's ad keep following you up and down, up and down, up and down? Every time you come online, you're seeing their ad. It's because your data has entered their data set, which is pixel, and now they are retargeting you. And when you do a retargeting ad to people that already know you or have interacted with you one way or the other, you make more sales. Remember, I always teach the portion of every business is seen in follow-up, and retargeting is a way of following up on people, on your warm audience, people that already know you. All right, so I'm not here to teach you Facebook ad. Just make sure that you already understand the basics of Facebook ad. And if you need assistance of someone, of an agency to help you run a digital marketing campaign, you can get connected to me. So let's get started. By now, you already have your Facebook page, you have your Instagram page, you've set up all the basics of your advertising of Facebook, everything, you've connected your pages, and you've done the needful. Now you want to install Pixel. You're installing Pixel. Why? Because you have a website and you have an Instagram account and you have a Facebook account. If you have a website, you are 100% on track. But if you don't have a website yet, but you have a Facebook and Instagram page, you can also do that. You are, let's call it 60% on track. All right. But to be 100% on track, also have a website. And if you don't have a website, and you need someone to design your website, you can reach out to me. In our agency, we also run website design services and sales funnel services for our clients. All right, so now let's get started. How do you install a pixel, a data set, so that it can collect data of all those that have visited your Instagram page, interacted with your Instagram page, all those that have visited your Facebook page, interacted with your Facebook page, all those that have visited your website and interacted with your website, so that you can do a follow-up ad or a retargeting ad to make more sales in your business. So the first thing you do is go to your Facebook page. Once you go to your Facebook page, then you go to your Meta business suite. You already know how to get there. So once you get to your Meta business suite, the first thing you do is to click on setting. When you click on setting, this page appears. All right, let me say that again. You go to your Meta Business Suite. If you're logging in from your Facebook account, you do what? Let's start afresh. So there are two ways of doing this. Either from your Facebook page, all right, you see Ads Manager. And from your Ads Manager, you see Settings. So when you click on Settings, it takes you to your business page, and this is your Meta Business page. You click on Settings. All right, so once you click on Settings, it brings you here. The next thing you need to do is to click on All Tools and go to your, you can use Event Manager, but I won't advise you to follow this route. You can click on Event Manager, or you click on www.facebook.com/business suite. So those are the two routes. Either you use your Events Manager. From here, we clicked on our Facebook page. From our Facebook page, we went to our Facebook ad account. From Facebook ad account, we went to Setting. From Setting, so this is our Event Manager, but I will not advise you to follow this route. I won't advise you to follow this route at all. So I'd rather you use the business suite, www.business.facebook.com. So this is my business suite, all right, and this is my account. This is my business account, the asset I want to use in creating this, okay? So what we're going to do is, I want to close this. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do, you click on Setting. When you go to your business suite, all right, click on Setting. That's the best way. Don't go through Event Manager straight. Click on Setting. When you click on Setting, you see Data Sources. When you see Data Source, you scroll down a bit. Okay, this is Data Sources. This is Pixel. This is the old name. Even when you click on Pixel, you see where they are telling you we have made some changes to our platform. To find your Meta Pixel data assets, go to Data Sources and select Data Set. So this is now Dataset. Dataset is now the new name for Pixel. So these are all the Pixel assets. Now, once you create a Pixel, you cannot delete it. All you can do is rename it. So if you click on Add Pixel, when you click on Add, it will bring out a page where you have to do what? Where you have to name your data set, which is your Pixel. Once you name it, it will ask you to do what? And when you click on Create, it will ask you for your website URL. You put your website if you have a website. But if you don't have a website, it's fine, you proceed. Now, this is the Pixel. All right, so let me use this test as an option. So when you click on the Pixel, this, you see, nothing is here. Now, this one is already being used. All right, so let's use this one. So you scroll down. Sorry about that. What did I do? Okay, so this is the one I'm currently using. All right, well, let's use this. So when you click on test, what you need to do is to say open in Events Manager. So while it's opening, all right, I think it has opened. So this is, remember, you click on the data set, which is the pixel you created. And when you click on it, you click on Open in Events Manager. All right, so once you click on Open in Events Manager, you scroll down. You see where they say Set up Conversion API. This is if you have a programmer that wants to set up stuff, but this is when you are working with your programmer. All right. But in the absence of that, you see where they say gather website events from browser activity, set up Meta Pixel. You click on set up Meta Pixel. They'll ask you to install your code manually or use partner integration. You use this if check if your website is eligible for integration, if you're working with Spotify and the rest of them, but we are more interested in this. Install code manually. Click on install code manually. So when you click on install code manually, this is the code. All right, this is the code that you have to install manually. So all you need to do is copy this code, click on copy code, then you go to your landing page. Any landing page you're using to have a place where you should be able to test this pixel. For example, I use OneNation as is an application for WhatsApp marketing and email marketing. If I have they have an option for a squeeze page. So all I need to do is to go to any of the squeeze page I'm using and do what? And test. All I need to do is to go to any of the squeeze page. For example, this is one of the squeeze page I'm using, and come to where they say Facebook pixel. You see Facebook pixel code and paste the code. So if you have a landing page or any place you're using as a squeeze page, you can paste it. Now, let's now talk about websites. You go to your website, whichever website you have, you go, for example, I love using WordPress to design websites. So this is my back office of my WordPress. Now, if you're on WordPress, the first thing you need to do is to go to plugin, new plugin. Now, when you go to plugin, you search for insert header and footer, WP code. That's a plugin. You search for it. All right. Okay, I think I did not click on admin. So when you go to your plugin, you click on admin. You search for insert header and footer WP code. So once you search for that, it brings out the option. So this is it. This is WP code insert header and footer. So I've already installed it. So on your own side, install and activate. Mine is already installed and activated. So once you install and activate, then you go to your plugin, you go to your install plugin, and you scroll down and search for it. WP code. Here it is. You click on code snippets. When you click on code snippets, all right, you will now click on admin. When you click on admin, you go back to, remember we copied this code from the manual code. you paste this somewhere. So I want to copy it. Then come back here and you do what? You see where they say add your custom code, new snippets. You click on that. So when you click on that, it gives you a provision code preview. So all you need to do is paste that code here. And once you paste the code, you click on activate. Okay, so we paste the code. We paste the code. So every other thing, make sure it's on site read header. Then you scroll up, you see this inactive. You click on it to turn it on, active, then you click on save. But I don't want to save this. So once you click on save, the next thing on your browser is to install a what do they call it? An extension. Install an extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a Chrome extension. Okay, look at the Meta Pixel Helper. When you click on it on your browser, and it will be wise to make use of Chrome browser, but I think you can also do this on Firefox. So this is it. You see, they're telling me to switch to Chrome. So it's a Chrome extension. So when you are doing this, make sure you are using your Chrome browser. All right. So all you need to do is to do what? Click on add to Chrome. So because I'm using a Firefox for this illustration, that's why my add extension is not active. But if I'm on Chrome and they're advising me to use Chrome, so all you need to do is to click on add to Chrome. And once you click on add to Chrome, it sets up by itself. Then you pin it to your browser. All right, you pin it to your browser, because when you pin it, it will dictate for you the pixels that are working on your browser. And I'm going to switch to Chrome very, very soon so that you see it. Okay, so once you're done with that, voila, your pixel has been successfully installed. Now, I know that a lot of people have challenges of with this code. Now, there is a second option. Yeah, there is a second option of installing this code. If this is difficult for you, then there's a second option. All you need to do is to go to your plugin, add new. If you want to use your pixel code alone, now when we talk about pixel code, we are talking about okay, let's say continue. You click on continue. They'll ask you automatic advanced machine. Make sure you turn this on. When you turn this on, all this turns on, and you click on continue. But this is not a pixel I want to use. All right, you click on continue. Open event setup to just say go back to pixel overview. Okay, so there's a second way of installing your pixel on your website. Is by copying your pixel ID. Yes, is by copying your pixel ID. All right, so when we talk about pixel ID, you can see this ID under each of these pixel. That is what we call pixel ID. All right, that's what we call pixel ID. So all you need to do is to copy this ID. Once you copy it, you go to your WordPress, add new plugin. Go to your WordPress, add new plugin. And first and foremost, go to your browser and search for Luma Facebook Pixel Code. Pixel Code Generator. So look at it, John Luma Facebook Pixel Code Generator. All right. It's Facebook Pixel Code Generator. Okay, so this is it. Search for Joluma F pixel generator. So this is the Facebook pixel generator. You click on it. So when you click on it, I know it's technical, but just just follow me step by step. So they'll say choose the event you want to track. So all you need to do is to do what? Choose the event you want to track. Is it people that clicked on add to cart on your website? Is it contacts? Is it leads? Is it purchases? Is it lead? So you choose. So let's say once, if I have a website and people are buying on my website, I'll click on purchases. But if it's lead, I want to generate, I'll say lead. Then if you click on purchases, remember you have to set your currency, all right, and set the price of the products that they are buying. Okay, so once you do that setup, you come here and copy this code. Okay, you come here and copy this code. Okay, so while you set up that, just hold on. Come back to your plugin, your WordPress. Scroll down and search for a plugin called Pixel Your Site. Search for that plugin called Pixel Your Site. All right. Pixel Your Site, your smart pixel. So this is mine. So this is the plugin. Install and activate yours. Once you install and activate yours, you are going to have it here. So all you need to do is to go to your dashboard. Click on Pixel Your Site. Go to your dashboard. And you see where they say your meta pixel. Click for setting. Once you click for setting, you click on enable advanced matching. Then your Facebook pixel, your Facebook ID, this ID, all you need to do is to copy it and do what? And paste it here. And once you paste it here, the next thing you're going to do is to do what? Verify your code if you want, but if you ask me, just leave everything like that. Once you put your pixel, once you paste your pixel and you activate this enable advanced matching, then you come here, you scroll down and click on save changes, and voila, that is all. All right, that is all. That's all the things you need to do. Okay, so let me stop sharing and go to my my Chrome browser so that you can see the work of that extension. Stop sharing, share. Let me go to my Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. This is that extension, the Meta Pixel Helper. So when you click on it, what it does is if you install this successfully, for you to know if it's functioning, just go to your website or the website you installed it on. Okay. Let me go to my website. So now this is my website. So when I click on this pixel, Facebook pixel helper, you see that it's active on my website. And when I go further to click on it, you see pixel is active and I set up my pixel for what? For page view. Okay, so let me stop sharing and go back to my Firefox. Okay, so that's how to set up your pixel. Now, with this pixel, it starts picking up the reading on your account. Everything that is happening on your account, it picks up the activity that is happening on your account. All right. It picks up the activity that is happening on your account. I'm supposed to be having a reading on this website. I don't know why it's not showing me. No. History. On this particular pixel, I'm supposed to be having my readings. Okay, it's the selected time. Let me see. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing my reading, but it's supposed to show me my reading. So that's how, ladies and gentlemen, how to install your pixel. And once you do that, when you run your Facebook advert with your customized audience, or I believe you know how to set up a customized audience. So when you set up your customized audience of people that have interacted with your Facebook or interacted with your Instagram or interacted with your website, it's going to carry out a targeting for you when you are running your Facebook ad using customized audience. So hope this was helpful. So if you want to learn more about Facebook advertising, you can reach out to me using the link on my bio through my website or the link in the description, or send me a DM. And if you want us to work with you on your business to help you grow, help you build a website, or run a social media marketing campaign, we also do that through our digital marketing service. Just reach out to us and we can take it from there. All right. So thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Amy Augusta. Do well to like this video, share with members of your community that are having challenges on how to install Pixel. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us for more. Turn on your post notification for more valuable content coming your way from this channel. Thank you very much and have a great and wonderful day.